looking for a small yet functional addition to your gear kit, this 150 PSI Barricade 12-volt air compressor will be a great addition to whatever year and model Wrangler that you're working with. Now, this compressor will be a very affordable way to save yourself some time and save yourself a lot of potential hazard, whether you're doing any technical off-roading, long overland trips, or even just want a backup plan for just in case emergencies on the side of the road. Now, along with the usefulness of this, it will also be very easy to store, considering that it's compact, making it a great on-hand solution for whenever you need it, and will come with everything that you need in order to operate it, making it a one-and-done kit. Now, compressors are a very useful tool to have in a pinch, whether you simply want to air your tires up after a day of wheeling and not rely on other means or somebody else, or it can be used if you need to air your tire back up if you've just fixed a flat. Now, this will do it all with a powerful 12-volt system that, as it says in the name, is going to reach up to 150 PSI. Now, for reference, that will allow you to fill up your 35s in a couple minutes, putting out 160 liters per minute, and this will be right up there in specs with other premium brands, which is very impressive for such a small and very affordable unit like this. It will also feature an easily readable pressure gauge and an easy twist-on brass inflator top, in addition to a reusable air filter, a quick release 26-foot air hose, and roughly a 6-foot power cord, in addition to a carry bag, as you can see here, making it an all-in-one solution. Now, when it comes to the construction, this is going to be made of an aluminum build with a 60mm cylinder body and a finned portion of the housing to effectively manage the heat that's produced from the motor. Now, on top, it is going to have a nice black powder coat to protect the aluminum and some steel components as well for the mounting brackets, as well as this sturdy build here. Now, this will have a max voltage of 13.8 volts and a max amp draw of 45 amps, but will also have a 60 amp inline fuse and an auto thermal shutoff switch to prevent any overheating, allowing this the higher performance with the safety features to back it. This will also come with built-in rubber feet to avoid any vibration when using it, which is very comfortable and useful, and it can be mounted in the Jeep and hardwire if you do find that you don't want to use these power cables for the battery and want it to become a permanent solution in your Wrangler. This will come in at about $200, making it one of your most cost-effective choices for a compressor in the category. Now, like I said, this will have some very impressive specs compared to other choices on the page, with a high output and safety features to effectively and efficiently use this compressor. Now, it's also going to be a complete kit with everything that you would need in order to power this up and have it ready for whatever circumstance that you need it for, as to where some kits may require additional components. So again, if you're looking for an impressive compressor that's a full kit and is going to be affordable for your off and even on-road endeavors, this is going to be a great solution for you. Now, install will be a super easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and will only take about 15 minutes or so to get this set up and ready to go. Now, this will connect to the battery with the very easy to use battery clamps here, and then it's a matter of attaching the correct nozzle or attachment for your tires, really whatever you're using this for, flipping the switch, and then putting it to use. So that's going to wrap it up for my review of the 150 PSI Barricade 12-volt air compressor fitting all year and model Wranglers, and you can find this right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.